Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the background of your frame transparent in Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control the transparency of your backgrounds, whether you want a subtle see-through look or you need to remove the background completely for your designs. This is a super handy skill in Figma, especially if you want your design elements to float over different backgrounds or get that clean no background effect for exporting images. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and select the frame you want to edit. You can do this by clicking directly onto the frame in your design area, or if you have a lot of layers, you can always find your frame in the Layers panel on the left and click it there. Making sure the right frame is selected is important. You don't want to accidentally change something else. When the frame is active, you'll notice the properties for that frame show up over on the right side of your screen. Now focus your attention on the Fills section in the Properties panel. This is where Figma controls the color filling inside your frame. By default, you'll usually see a solid white color here, but it could be any other color if you or someone else set it previously. Click on the colored square. This is your fill color. Once you do this, a color picker will pop up, giving you even more options. Here comes the magic. If you look closely at the color picker, you'll see there's a slider labeled with a checkered background representing transparency. This sometimes shows up as an A for alpha, which is just another way of saying transparency in design tools, or as a slider you can drag left and right. Go ahead and hover your mouse over this transparency slider. When you click and move the slider to the left, you're reducing the opacity of your background. This means making it more transparent. You can visually see the background fading as you adjust it. If you set it all the way to 0, your frame's background will become fully transparent, which means anything beneath it on your canvas will show through completely. Take a moment here and play with different transparency levels to see what works best for your design. Maybe you just want a soft overlay effect, or maybe you need that full no background look. Either way, you're in control here. But let's say you don't just want to make it see-through, you actually want to remove the fill color entirely, so your frame has absolutely no background at all. Figma makes this really easy. Look just to the right of the fill section and you'll see a little minus button. Click that and your fill will be instantly removed. Don't worry if the frame looks like it disappeared, it's still there, it just has no color or background anymore. This is perfect for when you're exporting assets with transparent backgrounds like icons or logos. And that's all there is to it. Making a background transparent in Figma is straightforward once you know where to look and what each option does. Remember, transparency is a powerful tool when you want your designs to blend seamlessly with other images, gradients, or just an empty space. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, want to share how you use background transparency in your own projects, or just want to say hey, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.